dear friends. Today we will present you a stylish, fashionable and recreative haircut for all WHO love change style and creativity, and this is a gorgeous pixie haircut. Please watch the video selection to the end, and possibly you will find for yourself your favorite, the same haircut about which you dreamed for a long time and did not decide to make for different reasons. Pixie, this haircut dominates the incredible power of transformation. Today we will tell you about a super fashionable and very popular haircut. The haircut is distinguished by spectacular volume, easy styling, and the incredible power of transformation. What is a pixie haircut? The layered pixie is a graduated shape with a short nape and subsequent elongation at the front. The main characteristic features of the haircut are the strands elongated in front, the voluminous part at the crown, and the crown of the head. Pixies can be done with any bangs. Usually, ladies leave long or asymmetrical bangs. The very short pixie is a modern version of the classic haircut model, as it has all the basic elements that should be present. The classic pixie haircut consists of elongated strands at the crown, combined with shorter temples and nape. Due to the fact that the long strands of hair casually fall to shorten places, an overall length is created that should barely cover the tips of the ears. Pixie can be changed with certain types of styling. This haircut is perfect for girls and adult serious women. She is able to rejuvenate the image, make it fresh and attractive. Girls of young age with pixies get a new individual, unique image. The classic version of the haircut with oblique torn strands, which will be pronounced by careless styling, will become especially relevant. Also, on clip places, you can additionally cut out all sorts of patterns. Among other things, a pixie with an elongated beveled bang is great for older women, as it will make them visually much younger and help hide fine wrinkles around the eyes and forehead. Pixie looks chic in natural shades, in platinum, as well as in various ways of coloring. A chic haircut allows a woman to become young and beautiful again. Pixie perceives any bangs. This allows you to choose a haircut and bangs for a certain type of face. Elongated strands neatly frame the face, thereby hiding many age-related changes. The multi-layer pixie technique allows even thin hair to look voluminous, and thick hair, thanks to graduation, will be obedient and airy. Pixie is very popular. Every girl and lady with such a hairstyle looks luxurious and seductive. Chic and trendy, a pixie cut for thin hair yields a fuller, voluminous hairstyle for women. The admirable aspect of this chop is its versatility and practicality. It benefits modern women who don't have much time for everyday styling. Added layers will create lift and make fine locks seem denser. A pixie for thinner hair is most compatible with a square face shape as it softens a sharp jawline. The biggest benefit of pixies is allowing less hair to manage. These short hairstyles for thin hair are for ladies with non-frizzy, easy-to-style hair textures. For those who have an unruly or pin-straight mane, you'll have to spend extra time styling it in the morning. This crop cut can also be a great option, based on women's face shape and how they would style it. Pixie cuts are so feminine and chic. If your hair is thinning and you want a new hairstyle, then a pixie cut is great hairstyle. It allows your hair to have volume without the thinning ends or roots. No one will notice as the pixie cut will mask it. Depending on your personal style and preference, you can choose a longer or shorter pixie cut. Women with fine hair tend to prefer shorter pixie cuts, while women with voluminous hair usually choose longer styles. Just remember that these are just preferences of various women, there are no rules. It's up to you to choose what suits you the best. Our dear beauties, creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Let all your dreams come true. Our dear beauties, thank you for watching the video review to the end. The best thanks from you are like and share with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.